Good morning, student. Welcome to your math class. I hope so that you all have done practice of exercise 5B question 1. Divide and check your answer. Our today's question is find the quotient and remainder. Here again divisor is having 2 digit and dividend it contains 4 digit. And these here divisor is more than 20. Means up to 20 table you all have learned, but here the divisor is more than 20. Then how will you divide it? Yesterday also I have explained you, and today again I am going to explain. When the divisor is more than 20, then how will you divide? If it is up to 20, you can easily read the table and solve it. Here exercise 5B questions are of division where we have to divide by 2-digit number. So question 2, its A part I am going to explain for you. Here is the dividend 6952. This we have to divide by 52. Means divisor is here 52 and dividend is 6900 or 52. Make the division. Write dividend inside, divisor outside. Divisor containing 2 digit. So we will take from dividend 2 digit. And how we will check? Firstly, we will check it with first digit. And from dividend also we will take first digit. We will divide 6 by 5. In the table of 5, where 6 comes, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10 will become greater than 6. So table can go on 5 ones are 5. It means we get the idea that 52 will go, the table of 52 will go at 1 to divide 69. So 52 we will multiply by 1. Same number. But 52 is greater than 69. So we can check with the next number also. 52 we can check by 2s. So we can get the product 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. It is 104, but 104 is greater than 69. It means our right guess is table goes on 1. So this one you will write on the next number because we have taken 2 digits together. So now our product, our quotient will go at 100 place. Now here we will write 52 and subtract it. 9 minus 2 7, 6 minus 5. Remainder is small. We will bring down next number 5. Now again we will check. 1 is smaller than 5. We will take 2 digits. Now we will check 5. We will divide 17 by 5. And in the table of 5, where comes 17? 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 4s is greater. 5 3s are 15 is okay. 5 2s are 10. If we do 5 2s are 10, then remainder will be greater than 5. So it means 5 3s are 15 is okay. We multiply here 52 by 3s. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 1. And we will check with the next number also. 52 4s are. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. 208 तो इससे bigger हो गया. It means table goes on 52 3s are. How we get to know कि 52 की table तो हमें नहीं आती थी. How we get to know कि the table goes on 3s are? We have taken first digit. And dividend से we have taken here 2 number. We read the table of 5 near about 17. 5 3s are 15. हमें idea हो गया कि हम 52 को 3 से multiply करके we get the number here. So what is the product? Product was 156 that we will write under this. 5 is small. We will borrow from here. It becomes 15. 15 minus 6 9. Here remains 6 now. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now remainder is 19. One more digit left. We will bring down this. Now it become 192. Again we will check. We will take these two digits. Read the table of 5 near about 19. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 20 is greater than this. और 20 से 5 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे then it become 208. 208 is bigger. It means table goes again on 3s, 156. So 3 we will write at the top at ones place, and here we will write 156, and now subtract 2 small, so we will borrow from here. 12 minus 6, 6. It here remain 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. No digit is here to bring down, so this become our remainder. So our remainder is 36. What is our answer here? Division answer is called quotient now. So quotient is 133. What is our divisor here? 52. And what was dividend? Dividend you can represent by D1 so that you will not confuse. And divisor के लिए आपने D use किया है. For dividend you can use D1. And divisor is 6952. Our next step is you have to check your answer whether it is right or wrong. So here you will write the word verify, or you can write check also, and then you will write the formula to verify. What is the formula? Dividend is equal to, dividend should be equal to divisor multiply by quotient and plus remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Remainder. So now you will put the value at the place of dividend. What was our dividend? 6952. So we will write here 6952. Divisor जिससे हमने divide किया था, that was 52. Answer we got. वो answer आया 133. What is remainder left? Remainder is 36. So we will write 36 here. फर्स्टली नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई, डिवाइजर और क्वोशेंट को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. मीन्स अपने आंसर को टैली करने के लिए वी विल मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइजर एंड क्वोशेंट. नॉर्मली भी आप करते हो ना. सपोज 24 यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 6, योर आंसर इज 4. हाउ कैन यू चेक योर आंसर? दिस इज डिवाइजर, दिस इज क्वोशेंट. मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू. 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, या इट इज 24. बोथ साइड्स आर इक्वल. इट मीन्स योर आंसर इज राइट. सेम थिंग वी आर डूइंग हियर. Here also what we are doing? We are going to multiply the divisor. Wait. Let me erase it first. Here also we are going to multiply divisor and quotient. So 133 right at the top and multiplied by 52. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Now 50 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो एट वंस प्लेस यू विल पुट 0 साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 5 का टेबल 3 तक रीड करेंगे. 5 3s are 15. 1 goes as a carry. 5 3s are 15 and 1 16. 1 carry. 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. Now add it. 6 plus 5 11. 1 carry. 6 plus 2 8 and 1 9. 6 plus nothing 6. So it becomes 6915. One more step left. Now we have to add this remainder here. And what is the remainder? 36. So 36 we will write here under this and add it. 6 plus 6 12. 3 1 4 and 1 carry. 5 9 6. 6952. It means जब आपने डिवाइजर को क्वोशेंट से मल्टीप्लाई किया एंड रिमाइंडर ऐड किया, देन यू गॉट द आंसर 6952. एंड सेम वाज आवर रिमाइंडर. हमारा सेम वाज आवर डिविडेंड. डिविडेंड भी सेम था. इट मीन्स बोथ साइड्स आर इक्वल. दिस आर राइट हैंड साइड कैलकुलेशन इज इक्वल टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड डिविडेंड. देन यू विल राइट बोथ साइड्स आर इक्वल. Both sides are equal, hence verified. Or you can write, it means our division is right. So by using this trick means with first digit, if first digit of dividend is bigger than the first digit, so we will read the table of first digit up to the first digit of dividend. अगर first digit small है, suppose in this case first digit is small, then we will check with the two digit. किसको check करेंगे? First digit की table को. 5 3s are 15. Here also first digit was small, so that's why the table we have checked. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 20 से bigger है, so table goes on 3s are. One more question I am going to explain to you. Wait. Next question is 6,784 you have to divide by 84. How will you divide it? Same process. Write 6,784 inside. This is dividend. Divisor है 84. Put it outside. Here 2 digit. Here also we will take 2 digit. And firstly we will check it with first digit. We will read the table of 8 near about 67. So you can write the table of 8 here. No. You can use two methods. Either you can check with the 8, otherwise you will write 84, multiplication of 84 up to 10. 84 was the same number. Then multiply 84 by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. And 84 3s are 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 8s are 24 and 1 25. 84 4s are 4 4s are 16, 1 goes as a carry, 4 8s are 32 and 1 33. Then 84 5s are 5 4s are 20, 2 goes carry, 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42. Then 84 6s are 6 4s are 24, 4 you will write here, 2 goes carry, 6 8s are 48 plus 2 50. Then 84 7s are 7 4s are 28, 2 goes as a carry, 7 8s are 56 plus 2 58. 84 8s are 8 4s are 32, 2 here, 3 goes as a carry, 8 8s are 64 plus 3 67. Then 84 9s are 9 4s are 36, 3 here, 9 8s are 72 and 3 75. And 84 when we multiply by 10, same number and 1 0 at the back. This is the method when you don't want to apply the trick. तब तो आप simply 10 तक same divisor को multiply करेंगे. Firstly 1, then 2s are, then 3s up to 10 you will multiply. And now you will check where lies 67 in this. 84 1s are 84, 61 is smaller than this. It means our table goes on 84 zeros are, because 67 lies between 0 to 84. So our right quotient is 0. So we will write here 0. And when we multiply 84 zeros are, it become 0. So same number will be our remainder. Now we will bring down next digit. Now check where lies 678. So 678. Here is 672. Here 756. It lies in between this 678. So our table will not go on 9, because 9 से तो फिर product will become bigger than 678. So table goes on 8 za. So you will write here 8 za and your product becomes 672. When you multiply 84 by 8, product is 672. See, it is written here. 8 you have written as a quotient, 672 this product you have written here. Now subtract 8 minus 2 6, 7 minus 7 0, 6 minus 6 0. Now you will bring down next digit, that is 4. Now again 64, here is 84, here is 64. It is small, so table will not go on 1. 64 lies between 0 to 84. Table goes on zeros, so you will write here 0. Product is also 0. 84 zeros are 0. Remainder is 4 minus 0, 4. 6 minus nothing, 6. So what is your remainder? Because no digit is here to bring down, तो last में जो बचता है that is remainder. 64 is remainder. Your answer is 80 because in the front 0 has no value. Your divisor is 84. आपका dividend है 6784. Now you have to check your answer. Now you can check your answer whether your division is right or wrong. See how you will check it. Now I will write here verify. And verify का same formula, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient and plus remainder. Now we will put the value. Dividend is equal to 6784. Our divisor was 84. Our quotient was 80. Our remainder was, here remainder was I think 64. Remainder was 64. Now you can easily check your division whether it is right or wrong. So 84, firstly you will multiply by 80. 84 multiply by 8. 8 4s are 32. 3 goes as a carry. 8 8s are 64 plus 3. 67, and this 0 you will put at the end. 6720. Now you will add the remainder also. This remainder. When we add 64 in this, it becomes 6784. Left hand side is also 6784. Both sides are equal. You can write here both sides equal. Hence verified. So you can apply both method. Either you check with the first digit, या तो आप फर्स्ट डिजिट से चेक कर सकते हो. Otherwise write the complete table of 84 up to 10 and then check where the digit comes, where the dividend the digit is exist. Okay, so in this way you can do exercise 5B question number 2. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.